Norodom Sihamoni will have bilateral meetings with President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi today. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has been conducting a series of meetings with all the stakeholders in Imphal to resolve the present communal violence in the state. The Reserve Bank of India has said that India's growth momentum is likely to be sustained in 2023-24 in an atmosphere of easing inflationary pressures. 10 persons were killed and 55 others injured in a bus accident in Jammu today. The mishap took place in Jhajar Kotli area. The Delhi High Court today rejected the bail appeal of AAP leader Manish Sisodia in the excise policy scam case.